And welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to teach you about the Bootstrap 5 toast. The toast component is like an alert box that is only shown for a couple of seconds when something happens. When the user clicks on the button or example submit a form, then in that case the toast will work. How to create a toast? If you want to create a toast, you have to use the toast class, and you have to add the toast minus header and toast minus body inside of it. Toast are hidden by default. You can use the show class if you want to display it. To close it, you use a button element, and you can add the data minus bs minus dismiss is equal to toast. Okay, so let's start to create the Bootstrap 5 toast. So first of all, you have to type div. Okay, then inside the div you have to create another second div. Okay, so first of all, in the first div you have to give a class. The class is toast show, and you have to give a class for the second toast. So I am just giving toast minus header. Okay, so inside the toast minus header you have to give toast header. Okay, so below the toast header you have to create a button. So I am just creating a button. Okay, so inside the button I am just giving a type is equal to button. Then after that I am just giving the class is equal to button buttons button minus close. Okay, and after that I am just using data minus bs minus dismiss. Okay, then it should be toast. Okay, then I need to give this one. Okay, so after that I am creating another third div here. Okay, so outside of this div I am just going to creating another div. Inside this div I am using toast text. Okay, so inside this div I need to give few classes here. Okay, so I am just adding few class here. Okay, the class is toast minus body. Okay, toast minus body, toast minus body, and after that I'm just clicking in the run. Okay, so now we can see here is a toast created with the help of Bootstrap 5. If I close this one, so now we can say our toast is closed. And if I click in the run, so now we can say our toast is coming. So in this way you can create the toast in the Bootstrap 5. Okay, so it's too much easy. So if you want to show a toast with a click of a button, you must initialize it with JavaScript. You have to select the specified element and you have to call the toast method. If you want to also use the JavaScript, so it's too much easy. But in this tutorial I am not going to teach you the JavaScript. I am just giving you the overview of the Bootstrap toast. So hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.